Hello, my name is Jeff and welcome to Select Motors Ltd. Visit our website at selectmotors.com. Our inventory is updated weekly. This is a 2008 328i convertible. It's a retractable hardtop. It's a inline 6-cylinder engine, automatic trans. The color is sparkling gray metallic with black leather interior. Body's in exceptional condition. There's no dings. It's not scratched up at all. No stone chips on the hood. The bumpers are in nice condition. Has the power side folding mirrors. Power seats, and it has a 2-position memory on the driver's side. Premium sound system, automatic climate control, rain sensing windshield wipers. Real nice wood grain trim, that's real wood. Here's a look at the back seat. Even has heat and cooling controls in the back. Has integrated roll bars for your protection. Five-spoke sport wheels. Beautiful body condition, virtually flawless. Power seat. Well maintained. Runs and drives excellent. Lots of value and a lot of fun for a reasonable amount of money. It's fully detailed and ready for your summer enjoyment. Thanks for looking in, and we hope to hear from you.